Hi everybody, I'm Chef Julia from the UCLA Teaching Kitchen and I'm here to bring you another recipe of the week. This week we're making a classic minestrone soup with garbanzo beans and baby spinach for service. It's really simple, it's really healthy, and it's really comforting but without having to turn on your oven as we get close to summer and our kitchens are starting to warm up. I hope you like this. I hope you try it at home. Let us know how it turns out. You can find me at UCLA Teaching Kitchen on Instagram.